A home equity line of credit can be an extremely useful tool to fund a variety of things in life. If you own a home, tapping into your home's equity for projects, plans, and expenses can be a smart way to cover costs. Keep listening for some helpful ways to use a home equity line of credit. Welcome to Money Tip Tuesday from the Making Money Personal podcast. Your home isn't just where life happens. It can also be one of your most powerful financial tools. A home equity line of credit, also known as a HELOC, lets you tap into the value you've already built, giving you flexible access to cash when you need it most. But too often, homeowners overlook just how strategic a HELOC can be when used thoughtfully. From upgrading your living space to unlocking new opportunities, the right move can turn your home's equity into long-term gains. Here are 4 fantastic, smart, and practical ways to put a HELOC to work and make your home work harder for you. Number 1 is to use it for home repairs and renovations. This one's pretty obvious, but using a HELOC for home repairs or renovations allows you to reinvest directly into the asset that's generating the equity in the first place, your home. Whether you're updating a kitchen, replacing a roof, or adding a home office, these projects can improve both daily comfort and long-term property value. A HELOC is especially appealing because it can typically offer lower interest rates than credit cards or personal loans, and you only borrow what you need as expenses arise. The flexibility of a revolving credit line also makes it easier to manage phased renovations or unexpected repair costs. Another great use of a HELOC is to fund education. Education is an investment that can pay dividends for decades, and a HELOC can be a cost-effective way to cover tuition and related expenses. Compared to private student loans, HELOCs often offer lower interest rates and more flexible repayment options. Homeowners may use a HELOC to fund a child's college education, graduate school, or career advancing certifications. The ability to draw funds as needed works well with semester-based tuition schedules. For families seeking an alternative to high-interest education loans, a HELOC provides flexibility without locking into rigid terms. A third great use is to use a HELOC for important life events or major purchases. Life's biggest moments, such as weddings, something like a medical expense, starting a business, or purchasing a recreational vehicle, often come with substantial costs. A HELOC provides access to funds when timing matters, without requiring you to drain savings or sell investments. Because it's a revolving line of credit, you can borrow exactly what you need and repay it over time. Many homeowners choose HELOCs for major purchases due to lower interest rates compared to credit cards. This approach offers a practical way to cover large expenses while maintaining financial flexibility. A fourth great use is for debt consolidation. A HELOC can be a powerful tool for simplifying and lowering high-interest debt. By consolidating credit cards, personal loans, or medical bills into one lower interest payment, homeowners can potentially save thousands in interest over time. Managing a single monthly payment also makes budgeting easier and more predictable. Since HELOC rates are usually much lower than unsecured debt, more of each payment goes toward reducing the principal balance. For those feeling overwhelmed by multiple debts, a HELOC can provide a clear path toward financial breathing room when used responsibly. To wrap up, a HELOC isn't just about access to extra cash. It's about flexibility, opportunity, and smart financial planning. Whether you're reinvesting in your home, investing in education, managing life's major expenses, or regaining control of debt, the right use of a home's equity can create meaningful, long-term benefits. As with any financial decision, careful planning and disciplined repayment are key. But when used wisely, a HELOC can help turn the equity you've built into a powerful resource for your next chapter. If there are any other tips or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know at tcupodcast@trianglecu.org. Like and follow our Making Money Personal Facebook and Instagram pages, and look for our sponsor, Triangle Credit Union, on social media to share your thoughts. Thanks for listening to today's Money Tip Tuesday. Check out our other tips and episodes on the Making Money Personal podcast.